Hey guys, I thought I'd show you behind the scenes what happens when I find stuff in gardens that, were abandoned or destroyed. In this case, we have 5 stumps around. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at least of pine trees. They were like 60-foot pine trees. But these guys were underneath and in between. Gorgeous stuff. And the Siam tulips are taking off because there's several others. But also you have the addition of this palm tree that we took down in, I forget which, Rat Hotel. I think I showed it during the Rat Hotel video. And this is plumbago. And then over there is blackjack, which I don't want, which is creeping in. And of course in here you've got string grass, or I think it's floor tam, and then false catmint. This is a blackjack, which is starting to move in. And then you also have pathos, which is starting to take off on the ground. I don't want it on the ground. I want to keep it to the tree because they're really hard to maintain. And on top of it, this is a Thai elephant ear. Beautiful thing. But what I'm going to do is, I've already started cleaning it out and found a few things, and I just want to finish cleaning out this little area right here, and then I'll show you what we got. All right. I need 2 hands, so I'm going to pause it and come back. Okay, it's about 10 minutes out. You can see now I got the ridge. And this is all the weeds right here. Occasionally you'll see plumbago. Yeah, beautiful butterfly right in the middle there. Just waiting for me to hang out with. He's cool. Hey, I say he, she. I don't know. Okay, down in the valley below. So I'm standing on the weeds. They're easy to get back, but it's hard to keep going. This tree is actually getting cut up. There's nothing over there. That's the tree that fell right there from the Rat Hotel video. But look, I've got them exposed. I'm gonna do some more on them. The pathos I don't want on the ground, so I'll be coming out with cutters to cut down all the runners. We got another elephant ear leaf coming up. And we have a couple of piers, or piling, whatever they're called, which there may be 1 or 2 more, but they were aligned in the front, and I thought we got them all out, but I guess we got a couple there. Those are pretty heavy. I'm probably not going to get them out. Probably use them as a wall. And that's a pile of debris, which I'll be taking out and mulching, etc. Okay? So I thought you'd like to see this. This is like every morning since Hurricane Ian. Well, after a couple months after we got the trees out of here, every morning since. Yeah. This is Dave, saving our sanctuary. I'm out. Okay, just one last look. Looks pretty good right now, doesn't it? I might cut back a little bit of the plumbago right there, but it's not bad. There's a huge hole under here, which is where the septic tank pipe went. Tank was not uncovered, but the septic pipe was upended by the trees, which is why I know there's a stump there. But it's down here. I still have some filling to do, so once I get that rounded, I should be able to get a tractor right in here and maintain this area, which would be very cool. Anyhow, it's Dave, saving our sanctuary, and I'm out.